Today unboxing is on September TLV release, and that's the 50th anniversary Nissan GTR based on the 2020 model, and also the pair of Nissan Silvia hatchback from the Showa era. And now let's take a closer look at the Nissan 2020 model in white. This is the third color variant of the 50th anniversary model. The very first one is in blue, featured in the collector's card. The second silver. Very expected and stunning casting. I believe the silver and blue was released in April, which is very impressive and clean. I think the blue is still the highly popular model. There's in fact quite a lot of GTR in the TLV series. Clean casting with stunning details and is flawless. Definitely no issue about the quality. Side mirror is already attached, which is great. See the 50th anniversary logo tag on the rear with the GTR logo. Detailed interior. And the color combination really reminds me of the Hako's car. Next, the Nissan Silvia hatchback turbo from the Showa era. These Silvia are very popular back in the 80s. Love this casting in black. I think it's very nice. In gloss finish. The only thing is there's some misalignment of the headlight. I don't think it's an error. I need to Google and look at the actual car in a bit. Realistic wheel set, and I think the turbo marking in gold is really nice on the gloss black. Stunning and nice interior, and this is truly a nostalgic car that is definitely going into my collection. Apart from the headlight, I can't say it's an imperfection because the headlight's positioning for the actual car may be similar to this. Now the 81 Silvia in maroon. First thing I'm going to notice are the headlights. Same construct as the black version, so I'm quite positive that it may not be a QC error. I think it's deliberate. Both casting has sort of the same alignment. Unlike the black, it's without the turbo marking, although it's a turbo. We will expect similar high quality details just as the black version. They pass extremely well and it looks gorgeous. Two very different paint job. Overall, a very nice addition to my TLV collection. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye. These awesome Tarmac Works casting are random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting. I will select the 3 lucky subscribers next week.